In this video, we will look at how to point a domain from Namecheap to AWS Route 53 to host a static website with a custom domain. Let's get started. First, log into your AWS console and go to Route 53 service. There, you will click on Create Hosted Zone. Under the domain name, you'll put the exact name of your domain that you have registered. Leave the type to public hosted zone. Click on Create. There you will have 4 different name servers listed. So we'll go ahead and copy that list of servers for later. And now go back to Namecheap, and if you scroll a little bit down there, you should see a section for name servers. Go ahead and select custom DNS. Copy and paste the name servers that we got from Route 53 hosted zone, and remember to skip the trailing dots. We don't need those dots in Namecheap name server list. So once you have added all those 4 servers, click on Apply. That's pretty much it. Now your domain should point to this name servers. It does take some time for DNS propagation, so you will not be able to test immediately. In the meantime, let's go ahead and set up a static website in AWS S3. Let's go ahead and create a bucket, and make sure to name the bucket exactly same as your domain name. Click on Next. And here it's a good idea to keep versioning enabled, and also remove the block for all public access, because we need this bucket to be publicly accessible. Click on Next and create bucket. Once the bucket is created, we'll go to Permissions tab, and there inside bucket policy, we will go ahead and add a bucket policy that will allow S3 get object permissions to the public. Go ahead and save it. So now this bucket has public access. Next thing, we want to change the static website hosting setting. We'll select use this bucket to host a website. Put index.html as index document and then save it. Next, we will go to Route 53. Click on hosted zone and then click on the hosted zone that was created before. Here we will create a record set. For the first record set, leave it all empty and go ahead and select alias, and in alias target you must see the S3 bucket. Go ahead and select that. Click on create. Once the record set is created, if the DNS propagation has completed, you must be able to access the website. So it seems like the DNS propagation is not yet completed. So let's go ahead and do few more stuff. So we'll go ahead and add one more record set for www.quickrefs.com. So this will be just a redirect to the earlier record set. So whether we come from www or without one, it will point to the same S3 bucket. And also we need to go to S3 bucket and create one more S3 bucket, this time with a www.quickrefs.com with a www in front, and click next. This one we don't need any versioning or we don't need public access, so just create bucket. Once this bucket is created, we'll go to properties. On static website hosting, select redirect request and then provide the name of the target bucket, which will be the bucket that we created earlier. Save it. So now we should be all set. So let's see if the DNS is working now. There we go. The DNS propagation completed. We can see the response from S3, but at this time it's saying index.html not found. So we'll go and create index.html. Here I'm just pasting a skeleton for bootstrap template. So we'll go ahead and save it and then upload it to the public bucket. You can drag and drop the index.html into this bucket, save it. And once the upload is complete, go ahead and try to refresh that page. There we go. That's the Hello World page from S3 bucket, accessible via your custom domain at Namecheap. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.